This is Maria Perez from Qlik. Today, I will show you a Zika application built through strategic partnerships between Qlik, Bardess Group, and Cloudera. We use datasets around the Zika virus to demonstrate to one of our joint customers, a major pharmaceutical and consumer products goods company, that they can modernize their architecture, drive customer insights for their sales and marketing organizations to get the right message out to the right healthcare providers, and improve products and services efficiency by making sure that the company can supply enough product in a timely manner. In this demo, we use data from a Zika hackathon that Cloudera hosted last May together with the University of Texas. Cloudera had gathered data from the U.S. Center for Disease Control, the World Health Organization, and other health organizations around the world. Participants in the hackathon investigated ways to pull together different sets of data, such as outbreak reports or Twitter feeds. In addition, Qlik, a visual analytics market leader, and Bardess Group, a business analytics systems integrator, blended in additional data to the original dataset, such as weather statistics by country, Zika carrying mosquito population by year, airline flight data from countries with Zika, and finally, hospital inventory data for the state of Texas. All this data was collected on Cloudera. We combine data sources of varying complexity. Weather is probably the least structured, and the development process showed us how easy it is to add other unstructured items like social media or news reports. We were able to capture all of these content types very rapidly since they did not need to have any schemes or structures defined ahead of time. And Cloudera is secure. The data included sensitive doctor and manufacturing information, which was managed under a single governance and security framework in Cloudera. Here I am in the Qlik storytelling mode. It looks like a PowerPoint slide, but it's actually Qlik in storytelling mode. Zika is a virus that spreads primarily through the bite of an infected Aedes species mosquito. Zika can also be sexually transmitted. As of today, there are currently over 100,000 cases of Zika in Brazil. How did Zika start? Let's look at the migratory patterns of these two types of Aedes species of mosquitoes that are spreading the disease. In 2004, you have a big spread in mosquito population, but no real hotspots. As we click through, you can see that the mosquito population stays the same for about a decade. But in 2013 and 14, we have a hotspot in the number of mosquitoes in Brazil. During this time, Brazil was experiencing a very dry monsoon season, which allowed the mosquito nesting pools to remain undisturbed, increasing the volume of mosquito eggs. The mosquito population exploded. Also during this time, many football players and fans from French Polynesia were traveling to Brazil for the 2014 World Cup. It is believed that someone attending the World Cup, patient 0, was carrying the virus and was bitten by a mosquito, and this started the Zika outbreak in Brazil. With the 2016 Summer Olympics and Paralympics in Rio, this disease is becoming a global concern due to increases in travel and potential exposures. We've pulled in some flight information, and here we have a Sankey diagram showing outbound travel from Brazil to other countries in the world. Here we are looking at possible areas of spread. There are a number of flights from Brazil to Germany, Spain, and other areas of the world. The US is a particularly big chunk, receiving over 300 flights from Brazil each day. Let's take a closer look at the US. With data from the CDC, we can see travel-related Zika cases per state. Now that we know where the disease may spread and have good understanding of the patient population at risk, let's empower our sales and marketing organization to get the message out to the right healthcare providers. For this demo, we loaded up the physician and hospital database for the state of Texas as an example. Here, with a potential patient base, we can see that this territory may have significant need for treatment. Let's help our pharmaceutical company improve products and services efficiency by making sure that the company can supply enough product in a timely manner. Here we can see our various distribution centers with their current inventory volumes. It looks like some are more prepared than others to supply the products. However, it looks like there will be a shortage in these regions. This is an analysis of an example representing 3 treatment products, their average inventory levels by location, and by the number of Zika cases in those counties. Here, we show the power of Qlik and Cloudera, enabling rapid decision-making in a targeted sales environment. If we wanted to see the top 5 counties in Texas where we have confirmed travel cases, we can see product number 1 has 71% availability with these hospitals, product 2 is 84%, and product 3 is only at 62%. From this information, we can determine that the organization should focus on getting as much product 3 into these Texas counties as fast as we possibly can. In summary, we've just shown you how a pharmaceutical company can modernize their architecture and quickly bring together a variety of data from a variety of internal and external sources. No need to wait for IT to build out a database and build all the load scripts. And Qlik, on top of Cloudera, allows our pharmaceutical company to empower its sales and marketing organizations to reach their customers and to improve supply chain and average inventory levels. Please note that this modern architecture and big data analysis can be used for other diseases, not just Zika. You can also apply these same big data principles to the common cold or flu or any other disease. Thank you for listening to this demo.